젤리도 맛있게 만들어주시고.
제쪽 국만 먹게 해주면 좀 애매한데 내려간다마 저기 제쪽
약간 아빠 같다.
뭐야? 내 빵만
to be able to serve appetizers with my drinks.
Canadian Mountie hat?
Liz, you have been sitting there for over an hour.
I know, almost. Oh, seriously?
Totally seriously. Felt what?
The vibe.
That's right, she felt the vibe and...